Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, super stunning, glamorous, silver, glittery eye look only for New Year's that I created. I hope you guys are going to have a lot of fun creating this look because it was so simple yet so glamorous. And let's face it, we all are looking forward to the new year because we all want new and good things to happen. So let me just show you how I created this look. But please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let me show you how I created these eyes.
So I've done the rest of my face off camera just to make this video extremely short. I am just going to start with my eyebrows, and for that I'm taking the spoolie side from the MAC pencil. I like to comb the hair of my brows in the same direction as its growth, and then going back to the pencil side, I like to fill my eyebrows completely. And I like to start by doing my eyebrows from the end of the eyebrows, creating a line on the bottom and on the top so that it gives me a clear line and a shape where I have to fill my brows. And then I like to fill the center of my brows, followed by creating hair-like strokes in the front portion of my brows so that they look a little bit more natural yet complete and full.
I also like to go back and forth to my spoolie just to see if I have any empty spaces, I can refill them. So I've done my other eye off camera because I just wanted to be extremely sure of what I am doing. And for the other eye, I am going to take my PAC Take Cover Concealer Crayon, apply it all over my eyelid. This is just going to cancel out the discoloration and the veins that can be seen on my eyelids. It will also enhance the color of the eyeshadows that we are going to be using. And with a flat brush, I'm just going to spread it all over my eyelid. Then as I can see a few strokes on my eyelid, I'm going to take the damp beauty blender and just run it all over it. Now we can see completely a soft and flawless base on our eyelids to work on. Next, I'm using this shade from the Viseart Neutral palette, and I'm just going to apply it on my natural crease, and I'm just tapping it because we have not set the eyeshadow base, so I don't want to go in swiping motions because it will just remove and give me strokes on the eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to tap it gently, and that's how I'm going to blend the product. Now this palette is extremely pigmented, so I would recommend you to build your colors slowly, and you can see I'm only tapping it, and once I have done the placement of my products, and I'm just going to blend it in swiping motions. I'm also going to keep it a little rounded towards the end. Going in with a stiffer brush, I'm using PAC 176. I'm taking the black shade and applying it in the outer corners of my eye only until my crease. And as you can see, I'm again tapping it because we have not set the rest of our eyelid except for the brown shade, except for where we've applied the brown shade. So I'm only tapping it. I'm going in with the previous brush without taking any more eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend and diffuse both the colors together. I'm also cleaning my brush in the middle on the back of my hand so that we just get a soft look. Otherwise, black is such a strong color, it will just overshadow all the brown that we have applied, and it will also end up spreading everywhere. I'm going back with the brown shade just to enhance my crease, and I'm going to apply it right above my natural crease, blending the black shade and diffusing both the colors. Then I'm taking the silver shade from this Kiko Milano eyeshadow duo palette. This is the Bright Duo number 23. I'm going to take the silver shade and apply it from the innermost corners of my eye, and I'm sort of creating a soft crease. Just to enhance the color of my eyeshadow, I'm spraying the MAC Fix Plus on my brush and applying it on my inner corners of the eyelid. Then I'm just diffusing the black shade and the silver shade. This is just going to act as a base for my silver glitter. Well, just to blend both the colors together, I'm taking the deep gray shade from the Kiko palette and just creating a soft ombre effect for both the shades. If you want, you can just leave your eyes as is and complete it with a mascara and lashes if you like. But I just want to be a little extra, so I am going to apply glitter. And first I'm going to apply a glitter glue. This is from Inglot. I'm going to take a small amount of it on the back of my hand and a flat brush. Just apply it wherever I have applied the silver eyeshadow, and I'm just tapping it like you can see. And with the other side of the brush, I'm taking the glitter that is from Kryolan. I will leave the product details in the description bar, and I'm just tapping it wherever I have applied the glitter glue. Once I've applied the glitter, I'm going to just create a soft ombre, like a gradient effect, so that I don't have a stark line of the glitter. And going in with the black eyeshadow, the brush that I use the black eyeshadow with, I've not taken the eyeshadow from the palette. I'm just going to blend and diffuse the strong line that we may have in the center. And that's how I create an gradient effect. Going with a smudge brush, I'm taking the black eyeshadow from the palette and I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line closest to my lashes, and I'm just going to connect it to the outer corners of my upper lid. Then I'm just going to tilt and change the angle of my brush to smoke it out further. For the inner corners of my eye, I'm taking the silver shade from the Kiko Duo palette and I'm going to apply it, connecting it to the black eyeshadow in my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to apply a white eye pencil. This is from NYX in the shade Vanilla. This will just open up my eyes because we have used a dark color, so it tends to make our eyes look smaller. So this will just open up our eyes. I'm also going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara before I jump into my false lashes. Now to complete my eyes, I'm going to take a small fan brush and the highlighter palette and take this lightest shade from the palette. Actually, this is not a very light shade, whatever color you like, but I would recommend taking a very light shade. And I'm just going to apply it on my brow bone. I will do the rest of my face and I will show you my final look. So this is how I created my eyes, guys. It is super simple and it is an extremely glamorous look that you would want to wear for New Year's. But if you want to see how I created the rest of my face and my base look, please check out this video over here to see how I created the base makeup. So this is it from my side for this video, guys. I hope you like this look, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar. And I wish you all the very best for the upcoming year and wish you a very, very, very happy new year, guys. I will see you in my next video and in the next year. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.